In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for the Walmart affiliate program, and I'm also going to cover some important points like how you can generate your link and the commission rates as well. And I'm going to sign up live on camera and show you this whole process. So what we first need to do is go to the Walmart affiliate program. So on walmart.com, I haven't exactly found the link, so I found the best way that you can get to the program is by going to Google and just typing in Walmart affiliate program, and then that should take you here. So click on this first one and it will take you to the Walmart affiliates window. So here you can see you can earn commissions and become a Walmart affiliate. So if you scroll down here, all you need to do is get started today and sign up. Then you can get links for your favorite products, promote them to your audience, and when traffic clicks on your products and then buys, you will then earn a profit and a commission on that sale. So you can read more about the affiliate program here, but what we're looking for is the sign up button here at the bottom, or you can sign up right at the top. So when you click on that, it will take you to this window where you want to then enter in your first name, last name, email, and a password. So I'm going to do that now, and then we'll go to the next step. So go ahead and click next once you've filled that out, and then you need to enter in these fields here. So you want to enter in your display name, which is going to be visible in your affiliate link. You then also need to enter in a website. This can be a social media platform if you don't have a website. I'm going to sign up with my YouTube channel here. So I'm grabbing my link here to my YouTube channel. Again, you can use your Twitter profile, TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram. You can sign up with whatever website or social media platform you have available to you. Once you've filled all that out, you want to then click on next, and then here it's going to ask you for your main promotional method. In my case, it's going to be either content/reviews or social influencer, because I'm not really an influencer and kind of a brand, and I just make separate content for YouTube. I'm just going to click on content/reviews. Here on the secondary promotional method, we're going to put here something like, I'll put social media influencer as the secondary, and then promoting countries. Now once you've done that, you're going to get this message appear which says you're all set, now it's our turn. Hang tight as we review your application. We'll get back to you shortly. Now if you don't get anything back from this application, then you can in fact apply a different way through the Impact Affiliate Network. Now I'm not sure why they hide this on their page, but they actually run their affiliate program through Impact. So you can see here, we have partnered with Impact to provide you with a marketing leading performance advertising campaign. Now it's interesting because to get to that page, you can just go to Google and just type in Walmart affiliate program Impact. And here you can see, if you go to the FAQs and scroll down, you can check their commissions. So click here to check our commission rates. And if you click here where it says become a member, you can then sign up through Impact. If you've already got an account on Impact, then maybe this application will get approved faster. But nonetheless, you can go ahead and fill out your Impact application here and sign up. And you can also see the contract, and you get 1% to 4% commission on. Once you've signed up, you'll then be taken to this contract overview, and you can scroll down, and if you accept this, click I approve the contract and want to continue. And then again, they're going to send off your application and that will be reviewed. So those are two ways that you can apply for the Walmart affiliate program, and then you can get your links once you're approved inside of Impact or inside of the main affiliate.walmart page.